Family Day with torch lighting ceremony led by our pastors of Jesus Christ, King of Glory Church, Rehab, Pastor Aya Numawas, Pastor Ryan Dalundunan, Pastor Gina in Mingito, and Pastor Jaime, and of course our senior pastor, Pastor Lillian Bronson. The torch lighting ceremony starts now in 3, 2, 1, music! Pass the torch! Kuski gamay! Woohoo! Pastor Ryan to Pastor Gina! And Pastor Gina to Pastor Jaime of Camolinas GCKG. Oh, form a line. Form a line, yeah. Form one line. Ato bang mo diri, Pastor? Ato bang mo diri, Pastor? Okay. Pastor Lillian will light now the torch. And three, Pastor Jaime. Iya po. In 3, 2, 1, everyone say, Beloved, let us love one another and let's exalt Jesus! Happy Family Day, GCKG! Alright, okay, thank you so much. You may now